Are you building a dream gaming PC in 2026 but don't know which case deserves a spot on your desk? The right PC case can dramatically improve cooling, airflow, cable management, and even gaming performance. In today's countdown, we're revealing the top 5 best PC cases of 2026 from airflow champions to premium showcase designs. Stay until the end because our number 1 pick offers an incredible combination of performance, value, and features that make it stand above the competition. Number 5. Corsair 400D Airflow. The Corsair 400D Airflow is one of the most popular PC cases for gamers and PC builders who want excellent cooling, clean cable management, and a sleek modern design. Built with a high airflow front panel, this mid-tower case is designed to keep your components cool even during intense gaming sessions and demanding workloads. One of the standout features of the 400D Airflow is its optimized ventilation system. The steel front panel allows a large amount of fresh air to enter the case, helping reduce temperatures for the CPU and graphics card. It comes with 2 pre-installed 120mm fans and supports multiple additional fans or liquid cooling radiators for users who want maximum thermal performance. The interior layout is spacious and builder-friendly, making installation simple for both beginners and experienced enthusiasts. Corsair's RapidRoute cable management system provides dedicated channels and tie-down points, helping create a clean and professional-looking build with minimal effort. The case supports full-size ATX motherboards, powerful graphics cards, and large CPU coolers, making it suitable for a wide variety of gaming and productivity systems. Aesthetically, the 400D Airflow combines simplicity with elegance. Its minimalist design fits perfectly into modern gaming setups while still providing the functionality serious builders demand. The tempered glass side panel allows users to showcase their components and RGB lighting without sacrificing airflow performance, whether you're building a budget gaming PC or a high-performance workstation. The Corsair 400D Airflow delivers outstanding value, reliable cooling, and excellent build quality. Its combination of airflow, expandability, and user-friendly design has made it a favorite among PC enthusiasts worldwide, earning its place as one of the best PC cases available in 2026. Number 4. Corsair Air 5400. The Corsair Air 5400 is a premium PC case designed for enthusiasts who demand exceptional airflow, spacious interior layouts, and support for high-performance hardware. Built with modern gamers, content creators, and PC enthusiasts in mind, this case combines innovative cooling technology with a sleek and stylish design. One of the biggest strengths of the Corsair Air 5400 is its advanced airflow-focused architecture. The case is engineered to maximize the flow of cool air through the system while efficiently exhausting hot air. This helps maintain lower temperatures for critical components such as the CPU and graphics card, ensuring stable performance during intensive gaming sessions, video editing, and other demanding workloads. The spacious interior provides ample room for large graphics cards, powerful CPU coolers, and advanced liquid cooling setups. Builders will appreciate the flexible hardware compatibility and easy installation process. Dedicated cable management channels help keep cables neatly organized, improving both airflow and the overall appearance of the build. A tempered glass side panel allows users to showcase their components, RGB lighting, and custom cooling systems. The modern design gives the case a premium look that fits perfectly into any gaming or professional workstation setup. The Corsair Air 5400 also offers excellent expandability, supporting multiple cooling configurations and storage options. Whether you're building a high-end gaming rig, a streaming PC, or a productivity workstation, this case provides the versatility needed for future upgrades. Overall, the Corsair Air 5400 delivers an outstanding combination of cooling performance, build quality, and visual appeal. Its focus on airflow, spacious design, and premium features makes it a strong choice for users looking to build a powerful and reliable PC in 2026. Number 3. Lian Li 11 Dynamic Evo. The Lian Li 11 Dynamic Evo is one of the most versatile and visually stunning PC cases available for enthusiasts, gamers, and content creators. Known for its premium construction and innovative design, this case has become a favorite among PC builders who want both exceptional performance and a showcase-worthy system. One of the standout features of the O11 Dynamic Evo is its highly customizable layout. Users can configure the case in multiple ways, including a reverse mode that places the tempered glass panel on the opposite side. This flexibility allows builders to create a setup that perfectly matches their workspace or gaming environment. The case offers outstanding cooling potential with support for multiple fan and radiator configurations. It can accommodate large liquid cooling systems, making it ideal for high-end gaming PCs and overclocked hardware. The dual-chamber design separates the power supply and storage drives from the main components, improving airflow while keeping the interior clean and organized. The O11 Dynamic Evo features premium aluminum construction combined with dual-tempered glass panels, creating a sleek and modern appearance. These glass panels provide an unobstructed view of internal components, making RGB lighting, custom water cooling loops, and high-end hardware the center of attention. Builders will also appreciate the spacious interior, which supports large graphics cards, ATX and EATX motherboards, and extensive storage configurations. Cable management is simple thanks to dedicated routing channels and ample space behind the motherboard tray. Overall, the Lian Li O11 Dynamic Evo is a perfect blend of style, flexibility, and performance. Its exceptional build quality, impressive cooling support, and unique customization options make it one of the best premium PC cases in 2026 for anyone looking to build a powerful and visually striking system. Number 2. Lian Li Lancool 217. The Lian Li Lancool 217 is a modern mid-tower PC case designed to deliver exceptional airflow, premium build quality, and outstanding hardware compatibility. Built for gamers, enthusiasts, and content creators, this case focuses on maximizing cooling performance while maintaining a sleek and stylish appearance. One of the key highlights of the Lancool 217 is its airflow-optimized design. The large mesh front panel allows a massive amount of fresh air to enter the case, helping keep high-performance CPUs and graphics cards running at lower temperatures. This makes it an excellent choice for gaming systems, productivity workstations, and demanding applications that require consistent cooling. The spacious interior provides support for the latest ATX motherboards, large graphics cards, and advanced cooling solutions, including multiple radiator and fan configurations. Whether you prefer traditional air cooling or a custom liquid cooling setup, the Lancool 217 offers the flexibility needed for a wide range of PC builds. Lian Li has also focused on user-friendly installation and cable management. Dedicated routing channels, tie-down points, and a thoughtfully designed interior make it easy to create a clean and professional-looking build. Better cable management not only improves aesthetics, but also enhances airflow throughout the system. The case features a premium construction with durable materials and a tempered glass side panel that allows users to showcase their components and RGB lighting. Its clean, modern design fits perfectly into both gaming and professional environments. Overall, the Lian Li Lancool 217 delivers an impressive combination of airflow, expandability, and build quality. With its excellent cooling capabilities, spacious layout, and stylish appearance, it stands out as one of the best PC cases for gamers and PC enthusiasts. In 2026, offering outstanding value for both first-time builders and experienced users. Number 1. Lian Li Lancool 207. The Lian Li Lancool 207 is a compact yet highly capable mid-tower PC case designed for builders who want excellent airflow, efficient space utilization, and premium build quality. Despite its relatively compact footprint, this case offers impressive hardware compatibility and cooling performance, making it a great choice for modern gaming and productivity systems. One of the biggest strengths of the Lancool 207 is its airflow-focused design. The mesh front panel and optimized ventilation layout allow fresh air to flow directly to critical components such as the CPU and graphics card. This helps maintain lower temperatures and stable performance during intense gaming sessions, content creation, and other demanding workloads. The case supports a wide range of modern hardware, including ATX motherboards, powerful graphics cards, and advanced cooling solutions. Multiple fan mounting locations and radiator support provide flexibility for both air-cooled and liquid-cooled builds. This makes the Lancool 207 suitable for users who plan to upgrade their systems over time. Lian Li has also prioritized ease of building. The interior layout is thoughtfully designed to simplify installation, while dedicated cable management channels help keep cables organized and hidden from view. A clean interior not only looks professional, but also improves overall airflow. The tempered glass side panel adds a premium touch, allowing users to showcase their components and RGB lighting effects. Combined with its sleek and modern exterior, the Lancool 207 offers a stylish appearance that complements any gaming setup or workstation. Overall, the Lian Li Lancool 207 delivers a fantastic balance of performance, practicality, and value. Its excellent airflow, strong hardware compatibility, and user-friendly design make it one of the most attractive PC cases in 2026 for builders looking to create a powerful and efficient system without sacrificing style.